Meer entered the storeroom, soaked in sweat, with filled legs and heavy eyes. His head was baffling without any liquor intake. A sudden smash made his thin-booted leg move in a rush. His eyes immediately began glancing all over in the room. What was that? He screamed. A thick-skinned rat vanished in the dark. The mutant cold almost changed all the creatures in the city. What type of sinners are human beings? He sighed, staring at the blank paper, thinking about completing a commission work till tomorrow morning. The ignorance may increase the time duration in the shop. How could water survive to dilute with paint? The freezing fingers can't even grab a pencil. The only thing looking worth picking is Willow Charcoal, flows like butter on the smooth Bristol paper. He picked that up, drew his first stroke, and a flashing current flowed in his arm, making it unbearable to draw a second mark. The machine cleaning is soul-taking. This year should pass soon, he groaned, creating a new stroke. First, he drew the line of action, then lines for the angle of shoulder and pelvis, and then proceeded with some small lines to quickly represent the pose. The lines had a continuous flow without any repetition. Maybe the gesture drawing looks easy to do and people take it for granted, but it's not. You have to submerge yourself into the natural flow of the body, ignoring the details and making only selective marks like 1 to 5 lines to represent the general pose. It is the backbone of any figure drawing and should practice accordingly. Meer drew 10 poses of 30 seconds and 5 poses of 2 minutes and fell asleep.